Welcome to Snowboarding 102. How to stop looking like a human windmill. Today we're covering 7 essential grabs that will transform your aerial game from obvious rental to probably owns a season pass. You're watching the Resort Report. Let's start with the classic, the Indy. The starter trick that will make spectators click. Backhand grabs toe edge between the bindings while keeping shoulders parallel to the board. What happens when you take that Indy and crank it all the way to 11? The stink bug. Push down with your feet and pull up like you're trying to break your board mid-air. The nose grab. Front head grabs the nose of the board. Instead of awkwardly reaching down to your board, bring your front knee up close to your chest for ease. The melon. The crowd pleaser. Front hand reaches between your feet on the heel edge. Bonus steeds for pulling the board up towards your back pocket. The tail grab. Simple yet effective. Backhand grabs the tail of your board, slide that hand to toe edge, and watch your social status plummet. The mute. Front hand crosses body to grab toe edge near front foot. Straighten those knees out for a stiffy. Keep it tight and controlled. The Stalefish. Backhand behind the body to grab the heel edge between bindings. Shifty it out for more steez points. Remember to practice everywhere. Kitchen counter, office desk, micro feature. HR meeting about appropriate workplace behavior. Just another obstacle to overcome. Master these and you'll be ready for the intermediate grab guide dropping next week. Keep it deep.